I want to talk a little bit about the middle frontal gyrus, which serves as a nice landmark to identify the precentral sulcus. Let's start out down low in the frontal region. We've got the letter M, the pars orbitalis, the pars triangularis, and then the pars opercularis. Now let's take that away. That's the inferior frontal gyrus. Let's scroll a little bit more towards the midline. Right above this sulcus, the inferior frontal sulcus, is the middle frontal gyrus. Now the middle frontal gyrus can be divided up into two. It's the thickest of the frontal gyrus. Sometimes there's an extra sulcus running right through it. We don't see that here right now. But it does point to a space, and then that space gives rise to a sulcus, the precentral sulcus. For right now, pay no attention to this horizontal sulcus right here. So immediately behind that would be the precentral gyrus, bigger than the postcentral gyrus, and now you have your central sulcus of Rolando. So that's one way to get to the central sulcus. Now the central sulcus of Rolando does not communicate with the Sylvian fissure. This area right below it is called the subcentral gyrus. In the next vignette, I want to come back to and have a brief separate review of the intraparietal sulcus and the inferior parietal lobule.